Yes, okay. No matter whether we flip it or whether we rent it, we got to get rid of all the popcorn
Regardless,
ceilings.
we need to work on the sheetrock.
Okay, so we got to get
Water
rid of
stain.
all the popcorn ceilings.
Yes.
We're going to have to retexture the ceilings.
All the cracks from the foundation movement.
All
need to fix them.
we got to fix all that.
Yes.
We're going to tear all this paneling down,
Yes.
no matter what,
Yes.
because this room is way too dark.
Exactly. Get rid of the carpet. No carpet on the open social areas. Only bedrooms.
Right.
Are we in the same path?
Okay.
Yeah, because this is not rescuable. So remove this guy. Remove the carpet.
Right.
Tear it off. Open this hole. Open a big hole, and the house will be supported on a corner column. And I'll make a nice open frame here
Okay.
to make this room not so covey. So remove all that wall.
Open it up to the living room?
Yes.
Okay.
So opening that up, removing all these panels.
That's a load-bearing wall right there.
Yes, that's why we have to leave the fur down, that little 12 inches
Right.
mini wall.
Right.
Because that is supporting beam from this guy. Otherwise, if we remove it, it will collapse.
Okay.
The roof. So we have to leave this guy
Good idea.
at that level. That's why we have to kind of pretend it's a open concept with a frame.
Okay.
Like frame means this guy.
Right.
And we're gonna
And
chop
what
this
about
down.
these wonderful things?
Get rid of them. So we're gonna get rid of them and
Okay, so that's gonna chop it
Open
off
up
right
here.
there on both sides.
Yes.
And on this side over here.
Mhm.
Okay.
However,
However,
I would probably get rid of this guy and make a mini wall here because this is your entrance.
mm-hmm,
This is your entrance, so this is your receiving wall,
mm-hmm.
and it needs to have a little wall here
Why?
to make an opening up. We'll open it and see what it does.
Okay.
But right now, I just feel that you get in and you're already in. You don't have any foyer. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking to do. And Jack, over here, get rid of all these panels.
Right.
And this guy, gotta go. Leave an open concept there. And just cancel the water and the drain.
Mm-hmm.
And leave it probably for a possible desk or working area. Get rid of all that panel. Respect the doors. Get rid of this wall. Get rid of this wall. And all these panels. Get rid of all this. This guy, not the top, not the bottom. Save the bottoms.
Mm-hmm.
But this one gotta go. That's this, I think. That one.
Okay. So,
Bedrooms.
bedrooms.
No, actually more bathrooms. Bathroom is more. We were thinking to move this guy, leave it as this. New countertops.
Get rid of
This is only a 24-inch door.
No, that's 23. Not even coating. It's
So,
not even coat.
it's I can't even walk through it. Okay, I can, but you know, it's
We can-
kind of a struggle.
That's for the
We
video
can squish you
effect.
in. We can squish you. Okay.
So we're just talking about getting rid of all this crap and
Yeah, but if you go to 30-inch door, it's just to here.
that'd be okay. Yeah, that's nice.
That open it. Yeah.
What's in nothing? in here?
Nothing. You just walk, drywall.
Okay.
And we remove this frame, save it, and see if we can use it as a storage in the other way.
I like that idea.
And
Might use that in the laundry room.
And see, the good thing is the cabinet goes all the way there.
Oh yeah.
And Fidel can make us one matching there or we can use one of these, the ones.
Oh, the cabinets underneath go all the way to the
They
wall.
go all the way.
That's, yeah.
Oh, so we just take out that one section.
This almost looks like an afterthought right here.
Yeah.
And probably,
Oh, that'd be perfect. And we'll change that to 2 sinks.
yeah, probably put 2 sinks instead of 1.
Get rid of all this wood paneling, right?
I will leave it in the bathroom. I will
Wood-
leave it. I will
wood
paint
clean-
it white.
Paint it? Okay.
Yeah, paint
New
it white.
toilet? Yeah.
Toilet,
new toilet.
probably,
$100, new toilet.
yeah.
$100 new
That
toilet.
one looks gross.
Hey,
That one looks
check
gross.
this out, Jack.
What's that?
Oh, shoot.
Don't say that.
Sorry.
A
Well,
little dirty. Oh,
We
the
can
jet tunnel.
Clorox it and see if we can save it.
Okay.
What is this? A nice jacuzzi. But it probably doesn't.
why did everybody do these whirlpool tubs?
I don't know. That was,
No
that
idea.
was a fever once.
What is
upon
up
a
with
time.
this right here? This fitness.
This guy needs to come off.
That's just the front of it.
Just in front of it. We
Okay.
can reattach it properly.
Okay.
I would Clorox it first.
Tubs are cheap. We may just replace that tub. Tubs are cheap.
With a
And
standard
if you
tub.
There's a
actually-
standard tub.
And if you can go in there. That's why they did that.
Okay.
Right there.
Ah, yeah, that's what they did. That. We'll do what they did.
Will make it look better.
Yes, make it look more finished.
Okay.
But this guy gotta go because I even think that this guy will have bad things inside. In between you change one thing or the other, just get a new tub. And you can use the plastic ones. They're about $200, $130. So
The plastic what?
the plastic
Tubs.
the tubs, the new ones,
Oh,
the
okay.
vinyl ones.
The vinyl tub.
Okay, so over here we're not gonna do much. Just change the.
Just
popcorn.
paint.
Get the popcorn. You're gonna change the fan. Break
Paint the
wall.
fan. We're not gonna paint the fan.
Yes, and carpet is gonna go new. We might just repaint the basement.
We'll just go to a silver fan. Yes.
And
Not silver. What do you call it? A chrome.
Jack, it will be very nice.
Nickel.
Brush nickel.
Brush nickel.
Brush nickel. Change all the
Yeah, all the
all
plugs.
that.
And we need to do that in that room in there. Brush nickel fan with a light.
Yes.
That has no light in there.
Needs light.
Okay,
Either way.
so all the popping lights like that, those, we're gonna use just can lights,
Okay.
recessed can lights, like we did in San Gabriel.
Okay.
And that runs about 20, almost $30 the whole set.
Makes it look great though.
So you do the numbers of the lights. Because
Okay.
you're gonna be in charge
Just tell
of
you how
lights.
many.
Just tell me how many I need to buy
Okay.
and I'll give you that receipt. Or you can buy either or, we'll see.
Okay.
We'll see
We'll
that
figure it
later.
out.
Yeah, okay.
In here.
In
Same
there,
thing
just
in
painting.
that room.
In there just needs to be painted, and we need a new fan with a light
Remember,
fixture.
Remember, you have to do the one for the ceilings. The one that, they call it ceiling hugger.
Ceiling hugger.
Yes, that's what
Okay.
they call it.
That was not.
Okay. Oh, no, it is. It is.
Well, it's not hugging very good.
Okay, this guy, you're gonna change all those.
Yeah. Okay.
Change all what?
I think the doors are
Plugs.
working good.
Oh yeah, we gotta change all the plugs.
I think-
And that one's upside down.
I think these doors are working.
Ground
good.
goes on the bottom. This is upside down too.
Is that one burnt?
What?
Plug.
Might be.
Oh, it's paint.
No, it's just paint. So these guys are gonna stay. George, are you gonna paint closets this time? Or
We're
not?
gonna paint everything.
All the closets, you're gonna be it.
Me and Jack.
You're gonna put Jack in the small closet. Okay, so walls.
Yeah, Jack and I can paint. In fact, Jack's gonna tell us what all he wants to do. I'll tell you everything I want to do.
I need to know that because I need
Okay.
to take it off my bed.
That's right.
And this, any feedback, Jack, please say it.
So let's go to the boudoir.
I like everything so far except moving that laundry room wall. I'm not a fan of that.
I'm not a fan of that either.
Of that? Of
Okay.
that wall?
Well,
That
Can this
is,
be removed?
yes,
It can?
it's platform.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, it is wood.
Sweet, let's get rid of it.
yeah, we're gonna get rid of that.
Yeah.
I
so
couldn't believe it.
Does this need to stay?
I'm
don't
gonna
think so.
I'm gonna have a guy to, that's why they did it. I'm gonna have a guy, a framing guy to go up in the roof, in the attic, and see if he can hide it inside. Reinforce the ceiling,
That way we can get rid of
now
that.
we can get rid of it and get it
The
done.
taller the ceilings, the better. Bathroom?
The possibilities.
No, we just talked about.
No.
Well,
We just said master bath.
that's all we said.
Yeah.
I'm thinking,
Yes.
this guy needs to be a combo unit. Nice bathtub. And
Bathtub with shower combo.
shower with the Florida tub, which is the large one.
Right.
And
I'm with you on that.
so put that there, and this guy move it into that side of the closet.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that would open this all up.
Yes, and get rid of this wall, and this cabinet can go back. Same with the toilet, it will move back there.
But let's go back to back in here.
No, that shower idea is great. Jack.
Well, first of all, I like your idea when you said, okay, we're gonna give them 16 feet. First of all, I like the idea we're gonna take that out. Okay, so
That's Jack.
So that is wooden floor.
It's
We
wood.
just take it out.
It's framing.
Okay, I like the idea. See, this looks like a one big long room that's just not wide enough. So if we chop it at 16 feet, now you look like you have a much bigger
That's the
room.
bedroom, yes.
It looks bigger, even though it's
I
actually.
would start. You're gonna get sick of me. Okay.
All right.
I'm just thinking that exactly what we thought on that. Leave this wall as is.
Yep.
Do the mud room as is.
Mud room. Yep.
Yep. Because the table.
Oh, we
has
can
this.
clean that up and make a really nice mud room.
Yes. And this will fit a nice little table, 4 or 5 people. Okay. In the bathroom here is what I narrow my ideas.
Yeah, that's the bathroom.
Bathroom stays as is. Jack, over here's where I need you and George to take a decision.
This is a very gross toilet.
Yes.
It's a gross
I
bathroom.
mean, it's a
It's
gross.
a very gross bathroom.
I
Yes,
can't believe you touched it.
I did.
You think what?
Okay, so take off this part down off
Uh-huh.
to give it height, and that way we don't feel so phobic here.
Uh-huh.
Take that off. And opening probably, if we're gonna use a tub, that's your decision.
Yeah.
If we're gonna use a regular tub here,
Yeah.
we do have the 60 inches that I need.
Okay.
This is just hollow. It's just hollow space.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so that means if we do a tub, we can leave this guy, take that off, or take it off. But this is the only storage these people have on this side. So we
So
might
basically-
leave it, or we might just take it off like we did in San
Yeah.
Gabriel. Either or, but I don't like it when I don't have a wall. I don't like it. I just take it off. And so, regular tub, regular shower. Yes.
Regular tub, regular shower.
Okay.
Regular tub, regular shower. over
Both
here.
of them.
Yes. These walls.
So we just gut this bathroom.
Yes, completely. Both bathrooms. So
Take it down to the studs. Well, no, take it down to the
No, no,
drywall.
no.
Take it
No,
down to the drywall.
no, all I need is this shower to be off. That fur down needs to be taken off, and that one too.
Okay.
These cabinets, try to salvage it.
I don't like cabinets above toilets, but it's just me. It makes it feel so cramped.
We like it. We women like it. We save some
I
stuff
know
there.
y'all do.
You have to have a place to store your toilet paper.
Yes. So anyway, remove it and try to get it
You can't
alive.
get up from there
That's
to come
true.
over here.
That's true.
Remove it and try to take it alive because it's a good quality. It's pure wood.
Right.
Okay.
You know, paint that white
I'll
probably.
paint it white, and we'll see how pretty or how tacky it looks
Okay.
later.
Okay.
Okay. Frame mirror, your target to go.
I'll get the same ones we did last time.
Yes.
They look good.
Yeah, we're a long way away from that though.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
So
Let's
we
go.
can tear this
So
down
the
though.
bathroom pretty much stays the same. This is going to be the gift, opening up that part.
Can we take all that tile off?
Yes.
What was idea number 2?
Idea number 2 was doing just a nice shower. That's it. What?
I don't know. I'm just thinking.
Very dangerous.
I know.
All right, what are you thinking?
This bathroom is so small.
I know. I know.
I know. If I were looking for a house,
The only
the
thing
bathroom would kill the deal.
It would for me too.
I would not buy
Well,
this.
let's see the numbers. Let's see what
Yeah, we'll
numbers
have
we
to
have.
see. Because if there's maybe a way that we could not do something else and then use that
Put it
money
in
to
here?
extend the bathroom,
But-
I would think
Okay.
of that.
The problem is that we would have to
Tear off concrete.
tear up concrete
Oh, for
to-
what?
for the
Move
drain
the-
for the
to move the
for
sewer
the
system.
toilet.
That's the costly. And sheetrock is not expensive.
So the 2,500 included that?
Included moving sewer system that way. And this house is old, so they're using cast iron as a sewer system.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna find several surprises that I don't want to tell you how nasty it could be. So that's why we can earn a couple of feet. I can push this guy 24 inches that way
Mm-hmm.
up to the
6 inches away from the
electric
box.
box.
Up to the what?
To the electric box.
Right, but you have to stay like 6 inches away from the box, right?
Right.
You can't go right
And-
up to it.
Right.
Yeah, I need to finish at
Right.
the electric box. Otherwise, that's gonna cost you a lot of money.
Yeah,
And we
definitely
need to
not
have a
doing that.
license to move that box. We need to have a licensed electrician to move that box.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not getting involved.
Yeah, me either.
Okay.
Right.
Josh neither, so we respect
No.
that guy. Okay, so
I have Milestone Electric. They'd love to move that box, but they'll be expensive.
very, yes. So I'm not gonna do that. So and what we're gonna earn here is just toilet room, pretty much. All we're gonna do is have probably,
Okay. This, having said all that, the big question is, do we spend the 2,500 to
we'll
move?
see, because you need to see the budget first.
Yeah, we need to see that.
And see if it's worth it or not.
Okay.
Because, yes, I would love to. If it will be free, let's do it.
Okay.
It will not cost me anything to pay concrete guys, plumbers, framing,
Okay.
etc. So,
So in the meantime, we're going to tear out this,
yes, meanwhile,
the shower,
gotta
this
go.
tub, that whole thing.
This guy, that guy
Okay.
has to go. Okay, you know what I do is I wrap it in a plastic black bag and haul it out of here. Yeah. And then go take a good shower.
Yeah, or two.
Or two with disinfectant.
Put on your hazmat suit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So, we're done here?
Yep.
All right.
Okay. Try to salvage this guy.
Uh-oh, we're locked in.
It's a good guy. It's a good thing. No. Oh shoot.
We got locked in the worst part of the house.
Jack, you're it.
Your turn, Jack.
Oh my. Seriously? Who would do that? Here, I have a credit card. Here, push my credit card in there. Hold on, not that one. Put my June. You will not be a good thief.
It's facing
Jack.
the wrong way.
All right.